Hello students, welcome to Chemistry World. Today we are going to discuss about the topic drugs. This is a BSc paper 8th topic. See, in this one we are going to discuss about the nomenclature of drugs. Nomenclature of drugs. By using this nomenclature only, we are giving the name to a particular drug. Here, the systematic naming of drugs is the drug nomenclature. Systematic naming of drugs. This is the drug nomenclature. In this one, we have three types of names. Means in the majority of the cases, drugs have three types of names. First one is chemical name. Second one is generic name. Third one is the trade name. These three are the names for a drug. First one is what? Chemical name. In this chemical name, when a new drug is discovered, then that was given by a chemical name. The chemical name has given to the particular drug by using some rules. That rules are established by IUPAC. Rules are established by IUPAC. IUPAC is nothing but International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. Means when a new drug is discovered, this IUPAC gives the chemical name to a particular drug. Here the chemical name, that is based on the chemical name is based on the atomic or molecular structure of the drug. Means that is depending on the molecular structure of the drug. Chemical name. Structure of drug. This chemical name, this is useful for the chemist. Why? Because it provides a precise arrangement of atoms and atomic groups in the molecule. See, chemical name is useful for chemist as it provides precise arrangement of atoms and atomic groups in the molecule. This is about the chemical name. Mainly you have to remember one thing, that is IUPAC gives the chemical name to a drug. Next one is the generic name. Generic name, it is also called as common name or non-proprietary name. It is also known as common name or non-proprietary name. Okay, in this one, the drug name, that is generally assigned by the United States of Food and Drug Administration, US FDA or FDA. This will assign the name to a particular drug. US FDA is nothing but United States Food and Drug Administration. Administration. This is a federal agency of the Department of Health and Human Services, and this FDA is present or located in the USA. Whenever the generic name of the drug that is prepared by, or the drug prepared by the different companies, or that is manufactured by different companies, the generic name of the drug that will not be unchanged, means that remains same. See here, generic name of the drug will remain unchanged even if the same drug that was prepared or manufactured by different companies. Even if the same drug is manufactured by different companies. Companies like Dr. Reddy's, MSN Laboratories, these will prepare the same drug, but the drug name won't be changed by the companies. Third one is the trade name. Trade name, this is also known as trivial name, brand name or proprietary name. Trivial name, brand name, and or we can call this as a proprietary name. Okay, trade name, it is also termed as trivial name, brand name and proprietary name. Means the trade name that is given by the pharmaceutical manufacturers to the drug. Here we have different trade names based on the different companies. The name given to the drug by a pharmaceutical manufacturer. In this one, a single drug is also sold under many trade names by different pharmaceutical companies. A single drug that is sold under many trade names by different companies. Here are some examples for generic name, trade name and chemical name. See, in this one, chemical name that is given by the IUPAC, generic name that is given by the FDA, Food and Drug Administration. For example, generic name of the drug that is aspirin. Generic name, this is same for all the drugs of that is manufactured by trade or chemical or different pharmaceuticals. See, the generic name of the aspirin is the generic name. Now we will see the trade names for the aspirin, that is Disprin, Anacin, Aspro or Coldarin. These are the trade names. Why? Because different pharmaceutical industries are manufacturing the same drug, so they are giving the trade names to the aspirin drug. Chemical name of this aspirin is acetyl salicylic acid or 2-acetoxy benzoic acid. This is the chemical name for aspirin. Next one, barbital. Barbitol is the generic name and it has trade name, that is Veronal. This is the trade name for Barbitol. Now we will see the common name, chemical name, that is 5,5 diethyl barbituric acid. This is the chemical name for Barbitol. Third one is ibuprofen. Ibuprofen. In this ibuprofen, the trade name for this ibuprofen is Brufen and chemical name for this is RS-2,4,2-methyl propyl phenyl propanoic acid. This is the chemical name for the ibuprofen. Next one is the paracetamol. Paracetamol. This is the paracetamol is the generic name. Trade name is Crocin, Metacin, Calpol, Combiflam. These are the trade names for the paracetamol and the chemical name for this is N,4-hydroxyphenyl 4-hydroxyphenyl ethanamide. This is the chemical name of the paracetamol. Thank you for watching the video.